Imagine this. Your table at school sent you a PM, a private message in Messenger, saying, deadline na ng first periodical test, best, uwi na. Sensical or non-sensical? Totally nonsensical. But let's be real. Don't some of you feel that deadline guilt creeping in when your phone rings or you smell grading papers in your dreams? Do you feel it? But I texted back to my table. Wait, my dear table, mag-sell muna ako dito. Because this seminar showed me those mountains of papers can absolutely wait when the learning exchange is this good. When I first heard sell ready, sell set, sell go, my brain said, uy, fun run ba to? And in a way, we were not just on a track. We were running through ideas, strategies, and aha moments that make us want to sprint for our students. We kicked off with social and emotional learning, and wow, what a reminder that emotions and academics aren't competing tracks. They run side by side. Before we sharpen a student's mind, we have to make and ready their hearts. Our facilitators showed us how each strategy helps students go beyond what's the answer or to why does this answer make sense. From sift those juicy details to cubing problems into bite-sized logic, it's like sending students into a mental fitness class. Now, they're not just readers, they're thinkers. And here's a big highlight. Kung TikTok to, ito yung hashtag viral. Khan Academy. Hashtag free, hashtag easy lesson planning, hashtag quizzes ready to go. For us teachers juggling grading, planning, and the other 300 house of the day, that's basically teacher self-care in digital form. Parang skincare mo ba sa teaching? Ganon. And these strategies are gold for PISA-style questions, complex, real-world stuff that asks kids why and how, not just what. This seminar gave us tools to help our students tackle those with confidence, not just for class, but for global standards too. Para wala nang magsisend sa GC ng, Ma'am, may pasok po ba? Because they just saw a clickbait in Facebook of listahan ng walang pasok. Hashtag fact check. Now we can talk about the facilitators. They weren't just presenters. They were storytellers, hype squads, and part-time comedians. One moment were decoding strategies, the next were laughing, not just smiling about scanning a potential partner in the single session, or counting how many moles your husband have. Baka ako nadaduma, hashtag sana all. Kung TikTok or Facebook to, baka marami ng stars. Or baka may nag-send na ng lion kila ma'am and sir. Let's give a round of applause naman to them. Para tayong nag-send ng lion or stars sa Facebook. And then there's the venue, Hotel Linda. The setting was comfortable, the ambience was welcoming, and the beds are very much inviting for a quick nap during lunch break for those who chose to live in. So here's what we're taking home. Not just sell ready, but totally hot swired. I've got strategies, a free tool, and renewed teaching ambition to help students not just read text, but read the world. A huge thanks to Doc Jovi De Castro, our shining facilitators, Hotel Linda, and everyone who brought this seminar to life. My table might still want me to go home and grade test, but yesterday and today, this seminar called out the best teacher in me, in you, in us. And I am so glad I answered. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Shirley J. Clayton. So hashtag Khan Academy and hashtag viral.
Maglaing ni sis.
So this
Oh, congratulations, sis.
impression coming from Sir John Wendell R. Nazareno from Puro National
Next trainer
High
na to.
School.
Next na makikita namin to.
Kawayan.
Hindi na tayo kilala, sis. Tuloy to yan. Trainer tuloy to yan.
Na gumagawa na tayo ng mga exams ulit. So here are my impressions. First one on the content. Of course, the seminar provided us helpful and comprehensive techniques that we could use in answering PISA-like questions. So these are helpful to us